Good morning, dear children. Today, on the request of some of you, we are going to learn about the Roman numerals. Already you know the 7 basic symbols of Roman numerals. What are the 7 basic symbols of Roman numerals? They are I for 1, again V for 5, X for 10, and L for 50, again C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. So these are the 7 basic symbols of Roman numerals. So this you must know by heart. And I told you the first rule in writing Roman numerals, that the symbol will be repeated only 3 times, and the symbol which are will be repeated, that is which are having 1, that is 1, 10, 100 and 1000. So only these symbols will be repeated, but 5, 50, 500, this won't be repeated. So which will be repeated? I, X, C and M. Only these things will be repeated. So now let me give you from 1 to 10 how to write the Roman numerals. So for 1 already you know I. Again for 2, 1 is repeated 2 times. Again for 3, 1 is repeated 3 times. Okay, now for 4, you know the rules. This symbol cannot be repeated 3 times. So you cannot write 4 once. So what you have to do? You have to go for the next highest one. So after 1, the highest one is 5. For 5 it is V. So from 5, what if you do? You will get 4. So if you minus 1, you will get 4. So to minus, I told this the smaller numeral must be on the left side. So 5, on the left side of 5 we put I. So for 4 the Roman numeral is IV. Again 5 already you know, it is V. Okay, now for 6 you have to go from 5 only. You should not go again with 1. So you will go with the highest one. So the highest one is V, and V plus 1, then 5 plus 1, 6. So 5 plus 1. So on the right side we are writing, since we are adding here 5 plus 1. This is 5 minus 1, so we write it on the left side. This is 5 plus 1. 6 is 5 plus 1, so we are writing on the right side. Now 7. 7 is 5 plus 2. So 5 and 2 ones. So this is also on the right side. Again for 8, 5 plus 3. So 5 and 3 ones. So 5 plus 3. So 3 times now 1 we have repeated. So for 9, we cannot repeat 4 times 1. So the rules, according to the rules, we can repeat only 3 times. So what we can do, we have to go for the next highest symbol. So the next highest symbol is 10, and that is X. So from 10, what if you do? You will get 9. So from 10 you have to minus 1. If you minus 1 only, you will get 10. You will get 9. So to minus, you have to put on the left side of the higher numeral. So on the left side of 10 you have to put 1. So this is 9. So this is the way we write 9. Again you know 10. For 10 it is X. So for 1 to 10 now you know. Okay, so this you must know first. So first of all you practice from 1 to 10. Then we will learn from 10, 20, 30. That way we will learn. Now I am going to teach you to write the Roman numerals from 1 to 100. So to write 1 to 100, for you first you need the 7 basic symbols and plus 1 to 10. If you know this much, then it is easy. So after knowing this, now 10, 20, 30, 40, that we will learn how to do. For 10, you know already it is only 1x. So for 20, how do we write? 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 means 2x. So 2 times we repeat x. So we are writing on the right side means we are adding. Okay. Again for 30 it is 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 3 times 10. So x, x, x. So 10, 10, 10. So 10, 10, 10, 30. Now for 40. So according to the rules we cannot repeat 4 times 10. So what we have to do? We have to now, we cannot go for addition in repetition. So we have to go for now subtraction. So to subtract you have to go to the next higher number. So the next higher numeral after 40 is 50. So 50 is L. So from 50, what if you do? You will get 40. You have to minus 10. If you minus 10, you will get 40. So 40 is 50 minus 10. Then only you will get 40. So when you minus, this 10 is a smaller one and 50 is the bigger one. So the smaller numeral must be on the left side. So for 10, the Roman number is X, and for 50 the Roman numeral is L. So for 40 we write it XL. We will not repeat 4 times 10. Only we can repeat, according to the rules we can repeat only 3 times. So with 30 the repetition is stops. So for 40 you have to go for the subtraction rules. So to get 40 you have to minus 10 from 50. So 50 minus 10, since it is minus, so this 10 must come on the left side. So I have written on the left side of 50. Now 50 you know already it is L. Okay, now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 you know. Okay, now 60. For 60 you will not again go with the 10. You have to go from this highest one. So the highest one is 50. So from 50, what if you do, you will get 60. You have to plus 10. Then only you will get 60. So when you add, the smaller numeral must be on the right side. When you minus, the smaller numeral is on the left side. But here you are adding, so the smaller numeral must be on the right side. So for 50 it is L, and since we are adding, this 10 will be on the right side. So remember, for 60 the X is on the right side, but for 40 the X is on the left side. Both are having only L and X, but since it is in addition, so the X is on the right side of L, and this is for 40 it is subtraction, so the X is on the left side. Okay, so you keep in mind. Now for 70 it will be 50 plus 20. 50 plus 20 we get 70. So 50 is L. For 20, 2x. Again for 80 it is 50 plus 30. So it is L plus 3 times 10. So 3 times 10 it is 30. So this is 80. Now for 90. Now this also you keep in mind. Now for 90 we cannot write 50 plus 40. 40 means 4 times we have to repeat 10. But we cannot repeat the number 4 times. Only we can repeat 3 times. So what we have to do? We cannot go with addition. So you have to go for subtraction. To go for subtraction you have to go for the next higher value. So higher than 90 what is there? 100. That is C. So from 100 what if you will get 90? You have to minus 10, then only you will get 90. So from 100 if you minus 10 you will get 90. So when the rules of subtraction, the smaller numeral must be on the right side of the bigger numeral. So here the bigger numeral is 100, that is C, and from 100 we are minusing 10. So 10 is a smaller numeral, so this should be on the left side. So for 10 it is X, so X should be on the left side of C. So this is 90. So 90, keep in mind, it is not 9 tens, X, you cannot write, and it is not 50 plus 40 that you are repeating 10 for 4 times. So it has to go for subtraction. Only 3 times it comes in addition. After 3 times it will come for subtraction. Always remember, here also you see 3 times it is addition, then after that it is minus. Okay, then this numeral we have already. Again after that 3 times it is addition, then 1 time subtract. Again this we have. Again for 10, 20, 30, 3 times it is addition, then the fourth time it will not be repeated, it will become subtraction. Again for L we have, so this is the same way it goes. 3 times it will be added, and the fourth time it comes in the subtraction. And always remember, for subtraction the smaller numeral must come on the left side. It is in Roman numeral, we are writing on the left side. Again you know for 100 it is C. Okay, so now we know the numeral for 10, Roman numeral for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So if you know up to 10 and all this, the multiples of 10 in Roman numeral, then up 1 to 100 is very easy to write. Suppose you are going to write 75. So 75, how you can write? 70 plus 5. You can write 70 plus 5. So 70, what is for 70? We write LXX. So 70 is LXX. And for 5 what is B? So this is 75. Suppose now we have to write 44. We have to write 44. So 44, we have to already told you change into tens and ones. So here 4 tens, that is 40 and plus 4. So 44 is 40 plus 4. So 40 plus 4. For 40, what is for 40? For 40 it is XL. So write XL. And for 4 what is it? I and V. So this is 44. Okay, this is the way it goes now. Now one more example I will give. 96. So 96, how we can write? 90 plus 6. 90 plus 6. For 90 the Roman numeral is XC. And for 6 the Roman numeral is B and I. So this is the way we write 96. Okay, for 99. So 99, how we can write? 90 plus 9. 90 plus 9. So for 90 it is XC, and for 9 it is IX. So these two together we write it XC and IX. So this is the way we write 90, 99. Okay, so if you know 1 to 10, again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So only this 20 numbers you by heart and keep. If you know the rules, you don't need to by heart. You can write by yourself. Only you have to by heart these 7 basic symbols. This is by hearting is enough. Then if you know the rules, then you can write by yourself 1 to 10 and 10, 20, 30, 40 to 100 you can write. If you know this 20, you can write all the numbers from 1 to 100. So this one you keep in mind, and you can write any Roman.